Excellency, most of the works, 99% of the works have been done by local Mswati. It is one way of empowering the local population. His Majesty's vision is to take us to first world. And taking us to first world requires us to also take the people to first world.
Your Excellency, this multi-purpose hall can be subdivided into 4 different rooms. So in these rooms you have stacked up doors which can separate each room, and then there's 4 different rooms that can hold different events at a certain time. Each room also has different entrances that you are able to enter from outside this room, as there's a circulation corridor around. So, Your Excellency, I take no power.
Also designed that way. Indeed. When I was doing my high school, then I returned in Eswatini. But the last moment when I was still in Britain, those are my pictures. I was still 17 years old. 17 years.
Mabugisi Foundation, lwadi nebuve ingcebo.